Monsters are represented on shields from ancient Greece, like the chimera conserved in Melfi Museum, which was fixed on a Greek shield inside a tomb. So we protect ourselves with monsters. You don't fight a monster. Man needs monsters to protect himself, to have a protector who's stronger than him.
If we look at Hollywood and the monsters that have inspired us, we can trace them all back to classical monsters. You know, it's sort of like the concept of, in music, there are only 12 notes. It's how you combine them together that makes a symphony.